Hello guys, so welcome to my channel. So today we'll still be working on the advanced session of the 002 shell redirection, and we're working on number 25, which is acrostic. So acrostic is a poem. An acrostic is a poem in which the first letter or syllable of each line or paragraph or other recurring feature in a text spells out the word. You get that an acrostic is a poem in which the first letter spells out a word or a message or the alphabet. The word comes from the French acrostic. I'm not a French student, so you take me like that. From post classical Latin acrostiches. Take me like that. So, as a form of constrained writing, an acrostic can be used as a mnemonic device to aid memory retrieval. So, you can read more about acrostic here. So the task now is to create a script that decodes acrostic that uses the first letter of each line to each line. So the decoded message has to end with a new line. It's just like all these code military uh, personnel use to communicate either in the newspaper or one or two things like that. So you are not allowed to use grep, or r grep. So you write your answer into 102 dash acrostic. So let's write our answer with VI 102 dash acrostic to enter into the file. So now we're going to press our I so we can write our answer. So we write our compulsory line, which is exclamation slash bin slash. Yeah. So we enter. So now we want to write our answer. So the task is to create a script that decodes acrostics and that use first letter of each line. That is only use first letter, and the decoded message has to end with a new line as well. So all we just do is to use the chords, then space dash c space one space vertical line space sorry space then space dash x dash s then space dash d then space your quotation marks. So this is our answer. So we need to confirm and see if this is the right answer. So let's escape colon WT. I'm making this executable again. This 102 acrostic. So shimmer u plus x then 102 acrostic. So let me just check 102. Um, okay, yeah, 102 acrostic. Yeah, so I cannot get add. Then git commit our commit message will now be acrostic. Alright, so let's push. Alright, so let's check our command. Let's check our code if it's right. Wow, wonderful. Oh, sorry. I think I missed something. So let me quickly check our code and see where I've missed it. I hope I did not. So let's check our code, our answers. So file name again. Acrostic. I hope I copied it out. 102 acrostic. Okay, so let's veer into it and see where our error is coming from. Okay, use I to edit, um, and I'll type it. I'll type it again. Okay, yeah. So cut dash c dash c. Okay, space. Okay. So let me see. Okay, okay, okay. I think this is where the error. I actually used quotation instead of the different double apostrophe. So let me escape and we'll check our code again. Run W Q enter. So I'll be using git add again, then my git commit, then git push. So let me check again. Let me check my code. So you can see that 5 and 6 failed. So I want to check again. So please make sure you like, make sure you subscribe to my channel. As you can see now my code is correct. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.